What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the ringtone on your Android device. Personalizing your ringtone is a great way to make your phone truly yours and can also help you distinguish your phone's ring in a crowd. Given the diversity of Android devices out there, it's important to note that there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to changing your ringtone. However, the basic steps maintain largely consistent across models, so you'll be able to follow along no matter what type of Android device you have. Let's start by opening your Settings app. This is where most of your device's customization options are located. Once in Settings, you might see a section labeled Sound, Sound and Vibration or something similar. This is typically where you'll find ringtone options. If it's not immediately visible, make use of the search bar at the top of the Settings menu. Just type ringtone or sound and it should guide you to the right place. Upon finding the ringtone or sound settings, tap to enter its configuration page. Here, you'll be presented with a list of default ringtones your device offers. These can range from simple tones to snippets of songs or sounds. Listen through them to find the one that suits your style. Selecting a new ringtone is usually as simple as tapping on it to hear a preview and then confirming your choice. But what if none of the default options catch your ear? Most Android devices also allow you to set your own music as a ringtone. Look for an option that says something like Add from phone or Music on device. This lets you choose any audio file stored on your device to serve as your ringtone. Just navigate to the song or sound clip you want, select it and confirm your choice. Additionally, some of the latest Android devices take personalization a step further by supporting video ringtones. This feature lets you set a video clip to play on your screen for incoming calls, adding an even more personalized touch to your phone. If your device supports this, you'll find the option in the same ringtone settings menu. Customizing your ringtone is a simple yet impactful way to personalize your Android device. Whether you opt for a default tone, your favorite song, or even a video clip, it's all about making your device feel more uniquely yours. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.